So now I want to make a track that's a good transition from that sequence. And so we have this, we have that in there. And I want to go from the C, I want to go up to a fourth because it has this like leading sort of feel to it. And then I'll go to the G after that. So I'll go from 4 to 5 based on this one. So 1. Right, so let's go to this other sequence. And we already have this kick thing going on. So we're going to go. Go to a new track, and again, we're going to do a hi-hat. Maybe I'll do a little bell situation. Go to another one, and we'll do a hi or a snare. So now let's go to this track, and we're going to go to the keyboard. I'm going to go to that bass line. So I want to do this on the 4. So that's the F, right? So let's go menu, pad perform, and we'll pick F major. I'm going to put that in and do a little line. To number 6 now, and I'm going to grab that synth that we had in the other video, and on this one I want to do an F minor, or do I? No, sorry, I want to go to the A, so I want to do A minor, right, F to A minor. So let's go, add perform, A minor, and now that scale will sound good on top. So now if I mute the different tracks, it'll sound pretty cool. So here's it all blends together, but it moves the track. Now I can go back and revisit that previous sequence on sequence 4. If I go to sequence 5 next, it's going to have a lift. So that's how I move around in keys from one song, to like one part of a song to another. And really, all the different ways that I choose how I change keys, it will affect mood. It will all articulate mood in a different way. I hope that you found that video helpful. I hope this helps with your composition now. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks.